Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. So we also included a thing where you can log the action that happened and whether it was or was not successful. So if you enable logs, when I go to export this, let's see, I got the function call, hit export, it's on my clipboard. I'm going to paste it here, save it. Now that's looking for that W. I'm going to cover this, and it didn't have an audio, but it's not going to find it. So sorry, I'm going to run it here. Now, the win weight was set to 0, so it's going to go indefinitely. When I move this, now it found it and it finished. And I should have shown you this before, but in this folder where the script was called from, this test file was called from, we got this log file. And in it now is a log. Get rid of that. Make this guy. Oh, AutomateMyTask is on top, always on top. So now we can see when it tried to happen, it was a success. So you look up here for the very top, how long it took. It took 10 seconds, but yeah, it took 10 seconds. And then that's because I had it covered at the beginning and it was still running. And it tells you what was searched and the criteria and everything about it. So you can enable these logs. This would obviously be a very long file, but sometimes it's helpful to see what happened and if it worked or didn't work. So that is what you can enable or disable. It'll be, remember, wherever you save this running script, it'll have a log file there.